Alright guys, we're just going to try a quick 4K test with the JME. Okay, now I'm not going to try to jostle the quadcopter around too much because I don't want to muck up the 4K video, because I'm sure it's in 4K it's not going to be stabilized. So, you know, there's some fire alarms going off and lawnmowers are going, all kinds of shit's happening. Okay, it's a clusterfuck. Okay, let's start some of this 4K action here and see what happens. I just want to get it up in the air and see what the 4K looks like and how much jello and everything else is in it. I'm trying to go easy. I'm trying to go easy on the JME. I'm not trying to get too much wobble, like I said, because I don't think the 4K is stabilized. So the more you move, the more jello there's going to be in here. I like jello, but I like to eat jello, not see video with jello. Okay. Pretty breezy out here, but I don't think that's any big deal for this thing. This thing can handle some wind, I suspect, because it's kind of beefy. Okay, now I'm jostling it around a little bit. We'll see how much jello comes in there. All right, that's enough 4K. That's enough 4K for me. We'll see what the video looks like. I'm gonna go. It came out 5 minutes of video in 4K, so we'll see how that looks. Yeah, that pad's gonna be dancing all over the place. I missed it again. Okay. Call a doctor. Alright guys, we'll see what the video looks like. I think it's only 4K 20, so I'm not making any promises. It is what it is. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later.